bulldozers are some of the most powerful and largest machines on a construction site. Some of them weigh over 100 tons. That's like 20 large elephants. The first excavator was drawn by Leonardo da Vinci in the 16th century. Of course, it was nothing like the modern one, but even then, people wanted to dig with something faster than a shovel. Garbage trucks are needed to collect garbage. For this purpose, they have a large tank at the back. Some garbage trucks have a special gripper, and the driver doesn't even have to get out of the cab. Pipe layers can lift and move pipes weighing many tons. It's like lifting several cars at the same time. The crane truck can lift very heavy loads to very high heights. Also, this vehicle is used by rescuers in emergency situations. Timber loaders lift and carry heavy logs with ease. Their powerful arms can easily handle huge trees. The loader has special claws that can clench to grip logs. Crawler augers can drill deep holes in the ground into which foundations can be poured. And some of them can drill to very deep levels to find underground water or minerals. It's a cherry picker truck. The world's tallest cherry picker can lift people to a height of 120 meters. That's higher than the Statue of Liberty. A truck is a real transformer. Instead of a platform, it can be fitted with any body. A pile driver is a machine that works like a big hammer. It drives piles deep into the ground. These are heavy concrete pillars that serve as a strong foundation for a building. Dumper is the most convenient machine when you need to transport a lot of loose cargo. The liftable body of the dumper allows you to dump everything that's inside in just a minute. It is long and dangerous to demolish an old, dilapidated building by hand. It is much better to entrust it to a special machine, a destroyer. If you need to dig a hole where there is no road, a crawler excavator is the best way to do it. The tracks allow it to drive over almost any terrain.